Hello team, welcome to DevOps training, and today we are going to discuss about the rebase with some examples. In the last tutorial we have already gone through with the detailed explanation of the git merge and the git rebase. Today we will see this with the help of an example, right? So the very first question with the git rebase is why git rebase? So to merge the branches we can use the git rebase. We have already discussed the detailed explanation and the detail you can say the detailed discussion on the git rebase in the last section, right? And today we are going to see how the git rebase is helpful and how we can merge the branches with the help of the git rebase. So before going forward, I would like to recall you this is the directory starter web. I have forked from the SCM Ninja on which we are working. This is a project, and we have the same project in my machine over here, right? I will open a terminal, right? And pwd. So currently I'm on my home directory, then my name and projects and the starter web, right? So first I will check git status to verify anything. So currently it is saying I'm on the master branch, and okay, and my branch is ahead of the origin master by 10 commits, right? Nothing to commit, working directory clean, right? Let's check, do we have another branches itself? So git branch, yes, we have another branch develop. So first I will go and clean up this develop branch, right? Again execute the git branch command. So right now I have only master branch. So I know very well to understand the rebase concept, first I need to create the branch. So suppose I'm going to create a new feature branch, git branch, and we have already discussed it how we can create the branches, right? And I'm going to name it my branch. Uh, Git branch hyphen b, then branch name. Is there any issue with the branch hyphen b? Git branch hyphen b my branch. Found it. Hyphen f hyphen m hyphen b. Yes, it is not accepting the hyphen b. Is it changed in the new git? Let me see. Okay, figure out. We are doing a simple mistake. It's checkout. We need to mention checkout instead of the branch. So git checkout hyphen b and then branch name. And suppose I'm going to branch name my branch. Right? So it is saying new branch to create it. Right? Clear out and execute the command git branch. See, it is saying two branches and asterisk is pointing out to the master branch. Sorry, the my branch. So currently I have the two branches, the master and the my branch. So this my branch is some kind of my feature branch and I'm going to change something, right? So list out all the files. So suppose I'm going to change a file humans.txt. So I will open it, right? And I will do some changes. No, I don't want to see things, and inside the things I'm going to modify some things and say thanks to all my students, right? I've added some thanks message, control C, close it, right? Get a status. So I have modified a file, so I will do express commit, git commit hyphen am and say modified humans text, right? Now again put the git status. See, on my branch nothing to commit. If I will go and check the log, so git log hyphen hyphen one liner hyphen hyphen decorate hyphen hyphen graph hyphen hyphen all, right? So it is saying this was the master branch, modified humans text over here, see my branch, right? Like this. I will clear it and I will again switch the branch and say checkout master, right? ls, and I will modify some other file over here. Suppose I'm going to modify readme.md, and over here I'm modifying, no, I don't want to download, a lot of lectures submitted, git and github training, and over here suppose I mentioned adding git rebase lectures and git advanced part, right? I save it, close it, quit it, right? Git status, and I have one modified file, so I will simply express commit it, git commit -am, and say edit masses readme, right? Again execute the log, right? Git log one line decorate graph all. So see, over here you are getting two different branches. The graph is something different. It is saying my branch modified humans text, okay, added message in readme, which is done on the master, and this is your branch and this is the master branch, right? And they both are separated in the same way we have seen earlier, right, over here when we was discussing in the last lecture, right? Now what I want to do, I want to rebase the master branch with my feature branch, right? I want to rebase my master branch with my feature branch. So what I need to do, so clear out a console and check out your feature branch first. So check out my branch, okay, and over here execute the command git rebase and the source branch which you want to rebase. So I want to rebase the master, press enter, and over here it is saying first rewinding head of replay your work to top of it. So what does it mean? So the git has basically rewinded the work you have done, right? So if I go upside, so you can see over here the commit sequence is like my branch is the first and the latest one is the added message in the readme, right? But what if I execute the same command this time? See, the master branch commit is in lower side, which was present earlier before the rebasing, and human modified text. This was the commit which I had done before this commit, but this is at the top of the head. So that same thing which we have discussed in the last tutorial with the help of pictures, right? The git basically pick up all the committed commits of the feature branch and point it on the tip of the master branch. So, and you can see it has cleared out your project history and now you are getting all the things in a single streamlined work. See, right? So this is the beauty of the git rebase, right? So let's clear out the console and do some more modifications. So let's check out the master branch, right? So git check out master, okay, and over here do some more modification in readme file, sublime readme, and say we have done so much of work together, right? Control save quit, get status, git commit, and express commit and say modified readme again, right? And put the git log, git log all one liner decorate and graph. So you can see it is again showing the message in this way, modified readme again which is on the different branch, and my branch human fixed text, right? The again, but this time we have already seen the things with the help of or rebase. Now we are going to see this same thing with the help of merge. So we will see the what is the difference between the merge and rebase, right? So clear out your console and say git merge my branch. Okay, and enter your commit, which could be, you say, merge my branch would be sufficient, or you can say merging feature with master, right? Save, quit, done. If I will again execute the git log, so say the graph is different. It has created one extra commit, merging feature with the master, which is definitely not done by me. This was basically automatically done by merge, right? So this is the difference. When we have created the rebase, this was not creating any extra commit, but when we are merging, this is creating an extra commit, right? So this is the difference between the merge and rebase is basically working out, just pointing out the feature branches commits and the head on the tip of the master branches and making a single line stream history of your project without any extra commits, without any extra confusion. So that's all about the git rebase and git merge. In the coming tutorials, we will learn something new and some more interesting facts about the rebase, right? So thank you guys. Thanks for your time.